Welcome back to the channel. So this is Jonas and I'm into bikes, cars, SUVs, anything with wheels, DIYs, and outdoors. So as a car guy, as a bike guy, this is an essential. But having this is quite annoying because you have to carry this around while washing your car. Well, the reason is the hose is just too short. It's just short, so you really have to carry around this when you're washing. So now we are going to be upgrading. By the way, this video this video is sponsored by Luigi Perez. Yes, the best embutido and the best siomai in town. He gave this to me. Kidding aside, he makes the best embutido and siomai. We are going to get an upgrade. We're gonna get a longer hose, and there's just a few questions. Probably one question is, would the power washer handle it? Second is, would the hose handle the power washer? Third is, would the clamp handle it? Now, the original hose is rated at 18 MPa, and the hose that we have is 220 bars. So 220 bars versus 18 MPa is also about 180 bars. So this is capable enough to handle the pressure, and I believe this machine can only produce 100 psi or maximum 120. Now, can the machine handle the longer hose? If you turn this on, there is going to be a period of, how do you say it? There's going to be a period of trying to get to that pressure. So there is that period where it tries to go to that certain psi before it turns on. So that's it. So if I'll be putting on a longer hose, that will take a longer time. Not too long that it it would bother me. So let's measure this to the right distance, and we'll cut it. Third question: would an ordinary clamp handle this? Because I'll be using just some automotive clamps. I hope it can handle it. If it doesn't, then I'll just have it clamped in a hydraulic shop. So my goal is for this to sit probably here permanently, something like that. So if I need to use it, I'm just gonna put this on, put on the hose, plug it there, and then we're off to washing our cars. What I want is to be able to wash from 3 parking spaces. So this is our front. So 3 parking spaces, because you want to clean the car from this spot going to the front, like so, spraying, and then up to the third car, where my daughter usually park. So if this is the car, I have the spray. Still not enough. A little bit more. I think that's good. So we have the length that we need. Okay, now let's remove this piece so we can attach this to our new hose. Houston, we have a problem. So this is too small. I think I should have not removed the sleeve. Well, we still have the other side. So this, let's see. Okay, I'll take this off and then probably brace this to this, and that will be also our solution. Let's see if this will hold. So on this side, let's try to save the Teflon. This side, because we have the Teflon, I'll do something different. Super glue. Let's test this. Let's turn it on. Ah. So didn't hold. It's the one that I super glued. You know what? Let's kink this. Let's see if the other side will burst. So this side held up well. So I guess we are going to look for another barb and then brace it. Yeah, boy. If you're using it continuously, there's no issue. But as soon as you turn it off, so now it builds some pressure. It won't turn on till I emptied the pressure. It's empty, almost there. There, now it will start. See now, there is no pressure. Now there. You know what I've noticed? You get a bit of a benefit because it increases the pressure. So the hose acts like a tank, a reservoir. Now it's building pressure. See how strong that is? So this is the regular pressure. If I close it, open it again. So if you need to clean something stubborn, you can just play around the trigger. So let it build up a bit. Let's call this a success. See you in the next video. Peace.